What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. It is bright and early. It's about 6:30 right now. The truck show starts at 1 o'clock, goes till 6 o'clock today. So I came over here this morning to get the truck prepped. I'm gonna wash it, possibly wax it if I have time, and do some other little touch-up stuff before I head out. I'm gonna head out here around 11, give myself about an hour to get up there, and then an hour inside before everyone starts showing up. So gonna start washing the truck, like I said, and then we'll go from there. Got the new mirrors on in the last video, they look good. Gonna wire them up soon, like I said, once I get them painted along with the door handles. Alright, so I just got the truck completely washed on the outside. Now I need to take care of the inside because it's completely messy from the last show. As you can see, the front seat is just full of just crap from the show. The old center caps I took off when I got to the show, and from the old wheels, stickers, trans fluid, the boxes from the center cap. So just a bunch of random crap that I need to clean up before I get ready to take off for the show. It's 9 o'clock now, so I still got about 2 hours before I need to leave here. So gonna get this cleaned out real quick and then do a couple other things, and then we'll start heading up north to the show.
What's up, guys? I'm Ryan Henderson. This is my 99 24 valve. Go follow me on Instagram, Ryan_Henderson. A little bit about it. It's on 35s, 20 by 12, TIS off-road wheels, running on Fox shocks, 5% tint, running a tuner, headlights by On Point Retrofits, 4-chin bumper swap, mid-south LED, switchback mirrors. That's about it.
Follow them on Instagram, check them out. Link will be in the description below.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to.
I'm here with Cole. He's gonna give a little information about his truck. His Instagram will be down below if you guys want to check him out. I'll let him take over.
My name's Cole. My Instagram is Cole_Masters24 valve. This is my 1999 24 valve truck. Got it last year. Haven't done much to it, just aesthetics pretty much. Anything under the hood is just Banks intake horn and a cold air intake. Everything else is purely aesthetics. Sport grill, 4th gen bumper, Amazon, lights everywhere. Hostile 20x12s with Niddle Terra Grappler G2s, 35 by 12.5. If you think you can fit 35s, you're wrong. You're dead wrong on a leveling kit. So everything else is just, you know, little stuff around here. 4th gen mirrors, just installed those yesterday. Highly recommend them over those shaky 2nd gen mirrors if you know about those. Instagram's right there.
That it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to.
Alright, so I'm Josh Odes, at Josh_Odes_22 on Instagram. I drive an 07 Dodge Cummins, sickest thing on the road. It's got a 6-speed manual because automatics are just for the birds. South bend dual disc clutch, Banks ram air intake horn, blah blah, Smarty tuner. Just 100 horse to let the bald eagle sing. With fuel timing, because you know, no fuel timing, you ain't partying. She's on 20x12, 44 offset, hostile jigsaws with a ball milled edge because we like to party. She got tow mirrors, but I leave those things down because I'm not towing anything right now, obviously. It's white because the white stallion is Supreme unit. Basically it's party wagon. I don't have a front driveline in it right now because I'm basically a pre-runner. It's a nice unit. Everybody likes to see white trucks. You know, I got stock headlights because I'm not that cool yet. LED fog lights because I like to party, obviously. 35-inch, you know, ridge grapplers because, you know, I'm skating through the asphalt. I ain't hitting no mud. Not in this unit anyway. Like I said, it's the 5.9, not that 6.7 junk. So I didn't have to lead or anything cool. It's a straight pipe, it's got a 5-inch on it, sounds real decent. Got a 6 system in it, she parties, gets all the juices flowing when you're just having a great old time. And yeah.
When I met you in the summer.
My name's Chase Coughlin. This is my 2006 Duramax. It's an LBZ engine code. I currently have 2012 hostile sprockets with some Niddle ridge grapplers. It's got a full 5-inch straight pipe from AFE. I have an S&B intake, 4-inch intake with Whirly Custom Fab EGR delete, paint match mirrors, all LED lights from Ox Off-Road. There's not a whole lot done to it, but you know, it's enough to get some recognition. Protec headache rack, Cobalt toolbox from Lowe's. Shout out to Lowe's for giving me the hookup on that. I'm sponsored by FCK light bars. Hang on, we got a 6-liter coming in. Also sponsored by Low Country Truckin'.
If this Ford will calm down over here, we can finish this.
I can give you the backstory. Anyways, I'm sponsored by FCK light bars, Low Country Truckin', partial sponsorship from Outlaw Industries PNW. They're the ones that actually washed my truck for this meet today. Really good job. They sprayed the inner wheel wells, waxed my wheels, ran the buffer over my truck. Sweet deal. My future plans for the truck: some retrofit headlights, color match grill and bumper, color match marker lights, color match tail lights, some different mirrors that aren't completely color matched because they're just a pain in the butt to keep clean, and rock chips off of, and some 22x14 TAS F51s. So I got a completely rebuilt front end, Cognito tubular uppers, PVE stage 3, tie rods, Bilstein shocks all the way around. Just stuff to make it handle nice on the road and make it tow good. Is what the truck's built for.
If you guys want to follow him and check him out, his Instagram will be down below in the description, so you guys can do so.
When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground.
It's Jacob Martin. This is my 2003 F250 Super Duty 7.3. Instagram is Jacob Martin 257. Just injectors, head studs, basic build. That's about it.
If you guys want to check him out, I'll put his link down below so you guys can give him a follow.
And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer.
Alright, I'm Jaden Harris. This is my 1998 Toyota Tacoma. Instagram at crunchytaco_1998. So here I got a 98 Tacoma 3.4, factory 3.4, board 60 over, LCE stage 3 kit. Injectors, gonna be turbo in it soon. 1 tons, it's an 86 Ford F350 front end, 538 gears. Right now I'm running stock shafts, trail gear, full hydro steering, homemade drive lines. Rears of Corporate 14 with rough stuff disc brake kit, Chevy 63s. I got a custom 3-link kit built by Walker Spab with 16-inch FOA coilovers and a double shackle in the rear, 16-inch Bilsteins. That's all I know about my truck. That's everything.
If you guys want to give him a follow, I'll put his Instagram down below so you guys can do so. While editing this video, I realized I didn't film an outro because it got really dark that night, and I also wanted to enjoy the truck show a little bit without having to walk around with the camera the whole time. But I also want to apologize for not uploading as frequently lately. I've been super busy with work, and also I've been remodeling my house a little bit, redoing the bathroom, hardwood floors, painting, drywall work. We just had HVAC put in, so it's just been super crazy. But it's starting to slow down at work as well, so I should be uploading more frequently, I hope. But I really enjoyed the truck show. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage I got. I had a lot of fun. But I can't wait until next year for the next Outlaw Truck Meet. It's going to be a lot of fun. There was over 160 trucks that showed up. It was definitely the biggest truck show in the Northwest as of now, because like I say all the time, there's not a lot of truckstores out here, so it was really nice to have a big one instead of just having a bunch of small ones. But I guess that they might have another one at their shop coming up here, as well as there might be one up in Lacey, Washington. And me and Preston were talking about having one next month too, depending on the weather. But I'm looking forward to that, and that should be a good time. So I'll let you guys know if we do. That way, if you guys are in the area and you want to come, you can. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Drop a comment down below. Share this video, and we'll see you next time.